Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's Tech Force Automate with SIM.AI series. I am Arun Barwa and today I will discuss how to use Google Services and OpenAI services with SIM.AI locally. So let us begin. So let us go to the Visual Studio first. So yesterday we discussed how we could run it locally, right? Of course using a Docker. Okay. Yesterday we downloaded this SIM. Now we will get inside this folder and we will run this particular Docker instance. Okay. So I open the project in Visual Studio, and there are a couple of things which we need to do today. That is what I am going to discuss. Okay guys, first of all we need to set up Google Cloud. Okay, so for that let me see, I have already uploaded a PDF here. I think this guy, lesson 3. Let us see, open it. Okay, so this is a PDF file that I have uploaded while I was explaining email automation series along with N8N. This same sheet, you can use it to configure your Google Cloud account. Okay guys, so you will get this from my Google Drive. You can go to console.cloud.google.com, create a project there, then you can follow this step exactly how I explained it and create your own project. Okay. Okay, let us just minimize it. Okay, so go to your project. Suppose I have created this project, SIM.AI test. You can just follow that PDF. There is step-by-step explanations I have already provided. Okay, just click on it. Then you go to API and services, credentials, watch the screen first. Okay, so you will get the credentials. Okay, you need to get the client ID and the key need to be downloaded. Okay guys, then next important thing today I want to share with you guys, that is click on the client. So here in the client you need to create a web application. See, client ID for the web application. So there, here is the authorized JavaScript origin, that is localhost 3000, and these are the callbacks. Okay, link which you need to provide it. So those are these things. I will mention all of these things in a PDF or a text document and upload it in Google Drive for you. These things you need to exactly put it in the authorized redirect URI and click on this save. Okay, and you need to just take this client ID and the client secret, save it in the notepad, okay, or save it in a proper location. You will be needing that information. Okay guys, Then after that, once you do this, you need to come to Google Library. So here you need to enable few things like Gmail API. Click on Gmail API. So in my case, I have already enabled it. Okay, that is why I am getting many. So I won't do anything there. Let me go back and here say try for the remaining others. What are those things? Gmail we have taken. Okay, Google Drive. Google Drive. Let me take this Google Drive API. You see Google Drive API, just click on it. Okay, this one is, and here you will get enable. So I have also enabled Google Drive. Okay, go back and this time let me see Google Docs. Yeah, let's try the Google DOC as or Google Docs API. Click on it, click on the first one and now say enable it. Just enable it. Google Docs, we will be working with Google Sheets also. Okay. Then again go to library, take Google Sheets API. Click on it. There is a little difference between how you configure with init-n and in SIM. That's why I am showing you. However, enabling all of these are same actually. Okay, let's enable this one also. Then see Google Sheet, Google Forms. Next we will enable Google Forms. Okay. Google Forms. Select the Google Form API, the first one. Enable it. Come back here and let's see what else is left. Google Calendar. Google CALENDER. Okay, calendar. Take the first one. Click on enable. Similarly, whatever service you need to, whatever libraries you want to use, you can search it and enable it. Okay, that's the only thing we need to do from here. We have copied the client ID and client secret. So let us now go to Visual Studio. Now see, when you download this project, you will not see this environment file here. However, you will see environment.examples here. Now, inside this, I have also created one .env. Okay. Let us click on it. Okay, it's already there. This will be only required when you run it using bun1 or npx. Okay, only then. Since we will be using with the Docker, so we do not need this particular configuration. That is why you see I have just mentioned this Google client and Google secret like XXXX. Okay. Another important point I want to show you, that is encryption key for both of these. How can you generate this one? Just copy this guy and simply paste it and you will get a random key like that. Okay, simply you can copy this one and paste it there. So the OpenAI key, you will get it from your OpenAI. Then client ID from the Google, paste it here like this. Okay. Now we need to copy this environment to the root folder where the Docker files, YML files are there. That is why I created this guy. Okay, I won't show this because it has my live keys. Actually, I feel bored to regenerate the keys every time. That is why I won't show that anyway, but these are same. Then I did few changes in this Docker production ML. Okay, you will have local as well as production. Both of those will be similar only. Okay, so what I actually change it, we can see I have a beyond compare type of things, but this is called MELD. Let me show you. I will also upload this file in the Google Drive. Okay, let me just from the local copy and paste here. Okay, in the other side it went. Okay, and the production one I will paste it in this side. Now see, I have actually inserted this Google client OpenAI ID. Okay, and few others I included. That's the only change I did. You need not worry about the other changes. However, for your convenience, I will be sharing this particular YML also, so that you can directly go to this production, select it and replace with the one which I provide you. Okay, so with this the configuration is now complete. Now let us run it. How do we run it? You have to make sure that your desktop, Docker desktop, must be running. So in my case, so you will use Docker compose, then -f, then you use exactly this name. Okay, then up and -d. Am I right? Yeah, I think I'm right. So you will get a warning that some variables are not set, so it will be a default string. No worry. Okay. Now the Docker instance run. In order to confirm, you need to know how to check it, right? doc, okay, yeah, Docker ps. So it is running. It's running in port 3000, and our PG factor, that is the Postgres, this is also running in 5432. Okay, now we can start using it. So let us go and use it. I want to use incognito, localhost port 3000. I'm sorry guys, there are some crackers people are enjoying because of Diwali. Okay, so this sound at least I cannot reduce anyway. So let me sign in with Google. Click on it. I will be signing with Google. Okay, two-step verification. Let me quickly do it. Okay. Then yeah, I trust this one. So this is actually I created sometimes back. Okay. Initially you will get a blank page. Let me delete these things for you. Let me delete these things for you. So we will be doing it from the beginning. Okay. First, you see there are some blocks. Agent, API, condition, function, guardrails, and so many things will be there. Okay guys, these are the things. And you will get some triggers also. Okay, there are many triggers, blocks. You can search it how. Suppose I want to search manual trigger. So click on manual. Now it came here, right? Then I want the agent. Where is that block? From the block, just drag it. Now see, a connection is established here. Say you are helpful. Is that spelling correct? AI assistant. Simple. And here I will write hi. Let us select GPT-4 mini or nano. I am very less balanced, that's why let's take that smaller model. Now I will be, this is a secret, right? I will be just taking that. Okay. Let us see. Once you do that, let us see, just run it. Hello, how I am getting the response. Okay. Now, let us know how do we integrate the Google's services what we have enabled in Google Cloud Console, right? For that, you need to go to Settings, click on Integration, and click on say Connect. Now it will ask for permission. Click on Unsafe, no problem. Then continue. Okay, and that is done. Similarly, in order to use other service, you go there, say Google Drive, connect. I will be using this one. Okay, connect, continue. So now I have access to Google Drive. Next, integration, Google Docs. Let's connect this. If you see N8 and while I was doing all of these things, right, you remember that we used to enter the credentials every time because of different permissions. So you need not do that here. Once you connect like this, then it will work for you guys. Okay. So let me connect all of this actually so that we need not have to do it again and again. What else is left? We will be using Google Forms also. Okay. Again, go to integration. Yeah, we need Google Calendar. Now you can use all of this information. Okay. For example, now you can try Gmail. If you drag the Gmail there, it went okay, no problem. Now if you can select this one, right, there is no error. You can send a mail also. If you wish to send a mail For example, body would be what? Say, simply say test mail from SIM.AI local. Okay, simply you can test it. Yeah, it run. Now the mail is sent here. You will set test mail from this. I will show you that. It will come from me only. Say me test from. So this is working. It means okay. Okay, let me delete that guy. Similarly, if you want to attach, say, Google Drive or calendar, whatever service you have used it, simply you have to select this and select the folder name. Say, select the parent folder. Let's see, it will allow cookies, allow, and see, this is my free books, something what I did it right. Just okay, you just select that one and select. Okay, and if any folder name you want to create inside this parent folder, you can do that here. So there is some convenience. This is relatively new. Okay, then anytime. Okay, so today I have shown you how we can integrate with Google and OpenAI. So from next lesson onward, I will be showing you some concrete examples. And please join the inner circle. You will get all the materials there. Okay, just click on descriptions, fill the Google form, and you will be email. You will get an email from me having my Google Drive link, okay, where you will get all the lessons, important PDFs, including my books, you can download freely. Please like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you so much and have a great day.